guys, it's Cray Cray Squad and my friend Kyra, she's videoing.
Sup?
So
Yeah, hi.
So feel free to ask us questions. Please like this video. Okay, so what we're going to talk about today is dogs. Who loves dogs, everybody?
Oh yes, I love dogs.
I love dogs. It's a
Dog lover
dog.
sitting right here.
But it's okay if you don't because, it's like, and she has two dogs. Yes. One name is
Bumpy and Callie.
Yep, Bumpy and Callie. They're so adorable. Yep.
I know. Bumpy is so adorable and Callie is so hyper.
Yes, they are. But just saying,
Off
if
me.
you want to know something, then just, add a comment. Something like that. Oh, and I also play Words with Friends, and I have Text Me, so feel free to text me. And if you're not a hot guy, don't even feel like me, okay? Like Justin Bieber, like if you look like him, or Grant Cards, or Ethan Love, if y'all are one of them people, please watch it. Oh.
Get out the video!
And this is my friend.
Yeah, you see my foot. You
Autumn,
love it. Yeah.
And that's Kyra. But
yeah, this is my leg.
My number.
Blackalicious.
Well, I will tell you my number, okay? But first, I gotta
579.
Okay, it is 1 4 2 4 2 5 2 8 2 0. Bye, guys.
Y'all probably didn't hear that. I'm sorry I screamed.
No.
Bye! I love you. Yes, Justin Bieber.
Yes, Justin Bieber, we're talking.